Now the inside and the outside 90 elbows make a beautiful curve to finish off going around the corner. But the one size fits all design requires that you take a box cutter and you just cut where it's scored based on how thick and how many line sets you're going to run through. The bigger the duck, the more you leave. The skinnier the duck, you just cut this off. And then what will happen is these clips will clamp right down over top of the cover and lock it tight. And it will leave a beautiful, smooth finish. The same with the inside 90. When you cut this off, you'll have a piece that you throw away, and that will be what allows this to go tight against the building and tight against the duck and give you a beautiful fit. Our T is our most versatile and unique of our fittings, going from large multi-zone splitting out based on where you need the different lines to go. But the way that it works, no matter whether you're coming in from either direction, there will be some foam for you to install to keep that tight, so that when you go down from the fully expanded down to the reduced, you can keep a single piece looking beautiful